This is a 2004 Chevy W4500. The first thing I saw was leaking oil underneath. I looking from the other side, so I see that. And now we take it out. We're seeing that the brake cylinder, or wheel cylinder we call, is leaking. So we're gonna change that wheel cylinder. That wheel, I mean the tire or the rim, we just leave it like that and take it out from inside that way. So much easier. Okay, sometimes that way easier, because to take it out all those wheel nuts is not easy at all. After we take it out, sometimes we cannot put it back. So that's shortcut and the easiest way. Okay. Okay, this is the brake the cylinder. They call wheel cylinder or brake cylinder for the brake cylinder on the back. Okay, there's two different pieces. I got the part number here right there. This is the part number. See, made in Japan. Okay, right there is a new piece right now. We put it in 2002 Chevy W45. We're going to put in back the old one into right there. Okay, right now we're typing the brake hose on the back. Maybe see the hose good, the screws good right there. That's a carry weight 4 screw. See it, 4 screw, both sides, 2 piece. See, that's 4 screw too. Right, you have to tighten this screw, and very important, you have to tighten this one, the brake hose. The brake hose right there, this is for the air from here. So very important, that piece. That one. So trying to line it back here, it must be on here, and it's in center. Same thing, the bottom right there. Okay. Push in and twist, and then that's the first spring. This side, it was outside. This side will be inside. You have to remember when you first time you have to take it out, right? So this is the bearing. Well, that's not the right way, but we're gonna put the green.
土办法，听着没有？听着没有？
Position, you can still see the screw inside right there, and one here on top.
这个有缝的不好，那么松的，哎，麻烦了，走下去。